today what I'm going to show you is at 4 o'clock we're going to go for fish feeding, one type of fish. Hello everyone, this is Kabir Aditya, your lovely host. Beginning of the day, first half is going to be a bit relaxed. We just had breakfast, we're going to go for lunch, we had the pool session. The water right now at the lagoon is quite harsh, so we're not going swimming in there. The currents are really strong. But today, what I'm going to show you is at 4 o'clock, we're going to go for fish feeding. And let's see what the new day in Maldives brings us. Let's go, shall we? Person who's going to be feeding the stingray. It's time. Say hello to my little friends. So we just saw the stingray fish feeding and it started raining. I already missed the first fish feeding because of the rain. We'll see tomorrow, hopefully when the weather is right. I'll show you the other kind of fish feeding. This is it for now. Let's see what happens later tonight.
Tactical beats.
that's it for today, guys. We saw the fish feeding. We had a bit of a relaxed day at the pool, breakfast, lunch and dinner, and then I did shisha. And tomorrow I'm doing this bartender tutorial, and then I'll show you another type of fish feeding. I think there's shark over there as well. So that's it from today, guys. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you, take care, bye bye, cheers.